L is the line 2x plus y is equal to 8. Part 1. Find 3 points on L. Part 2. Draw the line. Part 3. Find the slope of L. Part 4. Investigate if the point 58 minus 108 is on L. So part 1. To find 3 points on L, we randomly select values of x and y. Substitute into the given equation to find the corresponding ordinate. So our line is 2x plus y is equal to 8. So we're going to start off by letting x equal to 3. So we swap the x value for 3 with brackets around it. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So we have 6 plus y is equal to 8. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So y is equal to 2. So we have an x value of 3 and a y value of 2. So our coordinate is the point 3, 2. X value 3, y value 2. Next I'm going to let y equal to 0. So I swap that y for a 0. So I have 2x plus 0 is equal to 8. So I have 2x is equal to 8. And 8 divided by 2 is going to be 4. So x is equal to 4. So our point is going to be 4, 0, an x value of 4, and a y value of 0. Next I'm going to let x equal to 5. So I'm going to swap the x value for 5 with brackets around it. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 10 plus y is equal to 8. So then 8 minus 10 is going to be minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. So I have an x value of 5 and a y value of minus 2. So we have the coordinate 5, minus 2. You can choose whatever x values and y values you want. However, certain values may not give you a whole number as your corresponding ordinate. So just be careful that whatever value you substitute in place of your x or your y, you end up with a whole number as the corresponding ordinate. Because, for example, if you ended up with a quarter or a 0.25 as your answer, as either your x value or your y value, that would be difficult to plot correctly on an x and y axis. So part 2, we want to draw the line. So we take our 3 points from part 1 and we plot them on our x and y axis. So the first one was 3, 2. So we go to 3 on our x-axis. This line across here is our x-axis. And then we're going to go to 2 on our y-axis. This line down here is our y-axis. So we go to 3 on our x-axis, 2 on our y-axis, and where those two lines meet up, we plot our point. So there's the point 3, 2. Next we're going to plot the point 4, 0. So that's 4 on our x-axis and 0 on our y-axis, which is along here. So this is the point 4, 0. And then also the point 5, minus 2. So we go to 5 on our x-axis, minus 2 on our y-axis, and where those two lines meet up, we have the point 5, minus 2. And then we join them together with a ruler. And we extend the line as far as we can. So, for example, since this was our first point and this was our last point, it would not be enough just to draw this line. We would have to extend it to the top of our graph. Part 3, find the slope of L. We can now use any 2 points on L to find the slope. So we're going to use 4, 0 and 5, minus 2. So we're going to label our points x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is our slope formula given to us in our formula book. M represents slope, and that equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we swap the y2 for minus 2, bring down the minus. We swap the y1 for 0, and that's divided by. We swap the x2 for 5, bring down the minus, and we swap the x1 for 4. Be very careful, because if our x1 value had been minus 4, then we would have to have minus 4 down here, which would give us plus 4. So just be very, very careful that you include any minuses that you need. So minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, and minus 2 over 1 is just minus 2. So the slope of L, the slope of our line, is minus 2. So it's a negative slope, which means it's going downhill. Part 4. Investigate if 58 minus 108 is on L. So is 58 minus 108, is this coordinate or this point on the line L? So what we do is we substitute in for x and y into L. So this is our equation for L. 2x plus y is equal to 8. So the 58 is our x value, and minus 108 is our y value. So our equation was 2x plus y is equal to 8, so we swap that x for 58 with brackets around it, and we swap the y for minus 108 with brackets around it. 2 multiplied by 58 is 116, and 116 minus 108 is 8. We can see that our equation is balanced because we have the same number on the left of the equal sign as we have on the right of the equal sign. So we have 8 equals 8. So since the equation is balanced, we know that the point 58 minus 108 is on L. So the point is on the line because the equation balances.